Guys, did you see that intro? Oh my god, I'm so excited about it. I made it. I love it. So as you have seen from the title, I'm doing Vlogmas, and it's exciting because December is my birthday month. And close the door, puppy.
Can I say hi?
Yes, you can say hi.
Hi.
That's Aiden. The door not closed. Child. So it's my birth month. It's also the month that we're supposed to get the house, and we're going to have a girls trip this month as well. What else am I missing? What else am I missing? I'm gonna start the car in here another heat. What am I missing? I feel like I missed something else. But anyhow, it's the first day of Vlogmas, and I feel excited about it, and I feel like I'm going to keep it up. So come along for the ride. And it's who?
Someone else's book.
My other friend.
Wait, where's the wine?
I have it. So I have a bottle of wine from a friend. It's her birthday. It's not today, but she's here, so I'm gonna bring her the wine because she's not from down here. So she came down for her birthday weekend trip with her boo and her baby. So them take a little family staycation for her birthday. So I'm gonna see her today, so I'm gonna give her her wine, which is her birthday gift. I also gave her, there's a book that she was saying that she wanted to read for the longest while, so I had bought her that book before as well, so she gets her birthday present then before her birthday. And yep, so right now we're going to the barber. So the next time you see us, these gentlemen are going to be very dashing.
Yes.
Alright guys, see you in a few.
Christmas candy.
I told them that they're going to get Christmas candy, and they were over here shouting, yes, yes, yes.
It's a once in a year time thing. What's in it?
I actually bought them the other day when you guys weren't here, you know, and then I was buying a bunch of stuff and the card machine wasn't working and I had to leave everything. Look, I never have no cash. You have a mask? You have your mask?
Where?
Why do I have a kid's mask? Where's my mask? I don't want to wear this mask. I never buy a mask in here, so I don't even have no money.
The only money you had is...
I have one purple mask. Oh, if the ATM, oh, if the line not long, it's not grandma's mask. If the line is not long, I'll use the ATM, and then, now that me this time I gotta do? Yeah, alright, let's go. Be careful when you're opening the doors. My shirt says, it's fine, I'm fine, everything's fine, and it has, wait, what am I? It has a wine bottle opener on it.
There's me.
Glass clean? Oh, yes, it is. Careful, don't. Cornel, sanitize. Sanitize. Oh, so don't know them still have them.
It's a beautiful picture. That one looks fine.
This lady is cashing. Ask her if she cashing.
Get the things we need.
What things do we need?
Can I eat? Can I eat?
Yes, you can eat it. What things do we need?
Things. you need anything else?
No, I don't need anything else in here. Just nothing that I have to buy today. That one. Thank you. Go. You can sit, Sonia. Sit right here.
What is it today? No jacket day? Dear gosh.
It's not cold, so why do you think anybody would be wearing a jacket? You're the only people in jackets. Because why? I don't know. You're going to eat all of it now? You sure?
Well, no, it was for the whole thing.
Alright, let me try open it from the top. Go over. So it is 12:43 and we were supposed to be done with the barber now so that we could go and pick up Samantha. But when I reach at the barber yet, as you can see, people are still not dashing looking.
Shush.
So so I can't go to the barber no. I was waiting on my friend. As I said, I had a gift for her birthday, and then I also got a gift too. So I got tea.
Ooh,
Tea.
Okay,
I got my tea, and the can. I actually have the can from the last time, and this is a different can, so that's even nicer. I was wondering if it was going to be the same can, but it's not the same can, so that's kind of cool. So now I have two cans. Anyhow, so we're not going to the barber. We are going to buy gas.
Mom's tea is the best.
What?
We love mom's tea. Mom's tea is the best.
Oh, you? Oh, he says he loves my tea. My tea is the best. I'm going to buy gas for the car. Do I need to buy gas? I don't need to buy gas. No, I can just go down there. Should I buy gas first? Let me show you how much gas I have. So that's the amount of gas I have. That should be fine. Them can see it. Them not blind.
Some are.
Antonio says some are not blind. So, I don't know if I picked up that, but he did say some are not. Alright, so we're gonna buy gas and then I'm gonna go just buy the gas now and done. I'm gonna go buy the gas and then gonna go pick up Samantha. And then I'm not hungry yet, so I'm not hungry right now. I have to go wait a little bit for hungry. I wanna pee and I'm not gonna stop for doing no pee. I'm gonna go just
I have that.
Alright, it's time to sit back in the car.
Let's just do a lesson. Do your lesson go. Put the little stand thing in front of them.
I'm going to get one that they have one that goes into the CD player, so I'm gonna try that one because this one that I have over here on the dashboard, it's shaky. It's all rickety.
Is it 12 or is it still lit?
It is 12:45. What time is that? What's the next hour from this time?
One.
Oh, okay, good job. Alrighty.
Good afternoon. My pretty friend looking at the camera.
It's a video.
Okay, Miles. Are we going?
We're going over to the place that I pick up my packages.
Over there?
Yep. No, they're my little brothers.
Where's your sister?
I'm getting my sister. Sure. starving? No, not really. Okay. So we pick up Samantha, and she came to do her graduation pics. So she gone inside and we're waiting in the car. I went across the road and picked up my package as you saw. So I'm gonna go do one little unboxing. I'm not going to open this one. This is something for the house, and I'm gonna do, I tell myself that I'm going to do a big unboxing with all of the whole stuff. So I just buying them and putting them down in a corner, and then I'm going to do a big unboxing of all the whole stuff. So this is bathing suits. Let's see if we can put this camera somewhere. Okay, so let me see. I'm going to have to turn this down so I'm not going to be seeing my lovely face. I'm not going to be seeing my lovely face. Rip. Oh, I didn't even remember what was in here. So one t-shirt in here too. So see there. Buy things from them people here. This is a t-shirt. It had some stain on it. I don't remember what it was saying. And I saw so nice in the background, so I'm probably going to have to do a voice over for this. Oh, it doesn't say anything. It does have this. I like it. I like anything with animal prints. And it's black. Black is my favorite color to wear. Oh, so now you know you can buy me black stuff. Bathing suits. Bathing suits. So
Bathing what?
bathing suit.
Why do you need them? Are we going to the beach today?
No,
No,
you want to go to the beach tomorrow?
It was a little present, dear gosh.
Alright, so this one, both of them are one-piece bathing suits, by the way, because one piece is life. So I was supposed to buy, alright, I'm gonna turn this up and talk. So I was supposed to buy one orange and one black, because we said we're going to do a photo shoot for the girls trip. Me, because I'm bad, I decided to I'm gonna buy, but I didn't want to buy like a solid color in each, or it was that these were on sale and they catch my eye and I said okay, they'll work. So this one is supposed to be the orange one, and it's what you call this, it comes across here, so it doesn't have any straps. What you call that? I don't know. I think that's how you fit it. I'm probably going to have to look at the app and see what it's supposed to look like. Oh wait, no, I delete the app. I deleted the app because they were sending me coupons and push notifications and just making me get crazy and going over into their stuff and putting things in my cart and tempted to buy them. Anyhow, I bought this in medium and it kind of look big. When I go home I put them on. So this is the orange one. The point is this is the orange one. It's a one piece, and this is the black one. It's also a one piece. So I guess when I reach home I try them on, and maybe, I don't know, I'll make you guys see what they look like. If I don't do that, then you'll see them in a couple of days, a week and something from now. I'm going to be we're going on the trip, so we're still here waiting on Sam, and I still have going to drink my Pepsi. Wait there. Oh, what that me a pop up? A coffee cup mash up. Even it's a disposable cup. I like them. It's the Dixie cups. It's Dixie, yeah. It's the Dixie cups. I like them. They're nicer than just your regular disposable cups. Them can last. They don't, the coffee not going to bleed through them, and they have coffee running all over the place. Alright guys, so the background is very noisy, I'm sorry about that, but anyhow, we're going to wait. Oh, them have 2 for 1 things for $1,000, and that my buy going on 2 for 1 things for $1,000. I can afford it. Can I go inside? You'll see in a minute. I hope you will see in a minute. I don't really want what. You don't really want, puppy? You have your mask? So come back in at the night. We went and bought food. Bought Burger King. Hey, then you're going to give me the bag. Let me take out my thing. You're going to eat the pie first? Yeah. Let's go eating pie first. Alright, take this back. Did she give us paper towels? Are there any hand towels? Yeah, there's only one. Take this back, baby. Alright, so I'm gonna go eat my Burger King. It feels funny just thinking about it. Want extra straw in your bag, Aiden? Why are you peeping around here? Blackout Antonio face. What did you miss? So after the pictures, we left and we went to Mega Mart trying to find turkey bacon. So we went to check there. Since COVID, there's been no turkey bacon anywhere. A lady was telling me the other day that she went to the supermarket and she saw them and she just picked up a bunch of them. So I guess they probably got some, but not as much as usual. But there's no turkey bacon. That is the point. So we went there and then what did we do? That wasn't nothing. Then we brought Samantha home and then we came home ourselves. I think I'm gonna take them to the barber tomorrow. So I guess you'll see that in the vlog for tomorrow. So for right now, we're home, we're fed, we're going to watch a movie, I guess. Just tear out these two elastic ones out of my hair. Yeah, I'm gonna go and shower. I'm still in my clothes. Oh, what's that? Some kind of white fuzz. Still in my clothes. So I'm going to shower. And then we're going to watch a movie and the boys. So yep, that is it for today, the first day of Vlogmas. If you made it this far in the video, you're the real MVP. Thank you so much for spending this time with me. So until next time, which fortunately for you is tomorrow.